In this video, we will learn what Java is, why it's so popular, how it helps us, where it's used, and also talk about its benefits and limitations. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. If you're just starting your journey in programming or just curious, this video will explain everything in a super simple way. Have you ever used an ATM, played a mobile game, booked a flight online, or maybe opened a website? Guess what? Java might have helped power those things behind the scenes. Java is one of the most powerful and popular programming languages in the world. But what makes it so special? And why are companies, schools, and even mobile apps using it everywhere? Let's start from the beginning. So, what is Java? Java is a high-level programming language. Think of it like a special language that people use to talk to computers and tell them what to do. But what makes Java different? It's known for its simple and clean structure. You can write Java code once and run it on many different types of computers. That's why Java's famous line is write once, run anywhere. It's like writing one story and everyone, no matter where they are or what device they're using, can read it the same way. History of Java and why it was created. Java was created in the early 1990s by a team of engineers at Sun Microsystems, led by James Gosling. The project was originally called Oak, named after an oak tree outside Gosling's office. It was later renamed Java, inspired by Java Coffee, because the team wanted a name that was unique and lively. Before Java, many programming languages had issues. You had to write different code for different devices. For example, code for a Windows computer wouldn't work on a Mac or a mobile phone. Java was made to solve this problem. It was designed to be flexible, simple, and powerful. It helps programmers create applications that work smoothly on many platforms. Why is Java still popular today? Java is still everywhere. From Android apps to bank systems, from smart TVs to e-commerce websites, Java is used in all kinds of technologies. Even after more than 25 years, it's one of the top choices for developers. But why? Because Java is reliable. It doesn't crash easily. It handles big projects. And it has a huge community of developers who keep improving it. Benefits of using Java. Let's now look at some simple benefits of Java that make it loved by so many people. 1. Simple and easy to learn. Java's rules are easy to understand. You don't have to be a computer genius to start learning it. Even beginners can catch on quickly. Second, platform independent. You can write Java code on one machine and run it anywhere. It doesn't matter if it's Windows, Mac, Linux, or even a mobile phone. That's the magic of Java's write once, run anywhere idea. Third, object-oriented programming. Java is based on a system called OOP, object-oriented programming. It's like building with blocks. You create small pieces, objects, and then use them again and again to build big things. This makes the code clean and reusable. Fourth, large community support. If you're stuck while learning or building something, there are millions of Java programmers online who can help you. There are also thousands of tutorials, videos, and guides. 5. Security. Java is designed with strong security features. It keeps your data safe and helps build applications that can't be easily attacked by hackers. 6. Multi-threading. This simply means Java can do many tasks at the same time. For example, when you play a game, it plays music, moves characters, and accepts your input all at once. That's rich APIs. Java has a lot of built-in tools called APIs that help you build strong programs without writing everything from scratch. 8. Powerful tools and IDEs. There are many tools that make Java coding easy, like Eclipse, IntelliJ, IDEA, and NetBeans. These tools check your code, suggest fixes, and help you build faster. Limitations of Java. Now, nothing is perfect, including Java. Let's quickly talk about some of its limitations. 1. Slower compared to some languages. Java is not as fast as languages like C or C++. That's because Java first translates your code into something called bytecode and then runs it, while others talk directly to the machine. 2. Memory usage. Java programs can use more memory than necessary. This can make them a bit heavy for low-powered devices. 3. Verbose syntax. Sometimes Java code can be long and boring to write. For example, something that takes 2 lines in another language might take 5 in Java. 4. No support for low-level programming. Java is not ideal for things like operating systems or hardware-level programming. Languages like C are better for that. If you want to learn more about Java, then I have a full Java course on my website where you can learn everything from scratch about Java. Don't forget to check it out. I'm mentioning the link in the description box. Where is Java used? You might be wondering. Where do we actually use Java in real life? Well, Java is everywhere. First, Android apps. Most mobile apps for Android phones are built using Java. So when you play a game or use a camera app, Java might be running behind it. Second, web applications. Big websites like LinkedIn, Amazon, and Netflix use Java to handle their data and services. 3. Banking and finance. Banks trust Java to run their systems because it's safe and stable. A TMS, online banking and money transfer services, often use Java. 4th, enterprise software. Companies use Java to build big software systems that help manage their work. These are called enterprise-level applications. 5. Scientific and research applications. Java helps scientists and researchers run data analysis, simulations, and other experiments. 6. Embedded systems. Java is even used in small devices like smart cards, set-top boxes, printers, and Blu-ray players. 7. Cloud-based applications. With the rise of cloud computing, Java is also being used to build apps that live on the internet instead of on your device. 8. Games and entertainment. Although Java is not the top choice for heavy graphics games, it's still used to make simple games, animations, and educational games. Why should you learn Java today? Even with some small downsides, Java is still a great language to learn, especially for beginners. Here's why. It teaches you how to think like a programmer. It helps you understand important concepts like OOP, which are used in many other languages too. There are a lot of job opportunities for Java developers. If you know Java, learning other languages later becomes easier. Many school and college courses still start with Java. Plus, if you dream of building mobile apps, working for big tech companies, or even creating your own projects, Java gives you a strong foundation. So, what's the future of Java? Some people think newer languages will replace Java, but the truth is Java keeps evolving. With every update, it becomes faster, easier, and more powerful. It's like a strong tree that keeps growing new branches. Many companies and systems are still built on Java, and they're not planning to change anytime soon. That's why learning Java is like investing in something that will be useful for a long time. So now you know what Java is, where it's used, what makes it special, and what its downsides are. Java is more than just a programming language. It's a tool that helps us create apps, websites, games, and much more. If you're just starting your journey in tech or programming, Java is one of the best places to begin. It's simple, powerful, and opens many doors. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, and let's keep learning together.